Okay, never mind. This is what we up to. What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I'm gonna put a video in right now. The E36 broke. My clutch master cylinder went out. I changed my slave cylinder, didn't work, so I bought a new master cylinder, which we're gonna swap in. But I had a little trouble trailering it. If you guys didn't see my Instagram video, I couldn't find a tow guy, so my homie came through with his trailer, and this is what happened. Just try to slam it one time. Okay, never mind. It's not gonna work. Fuck. Well, we're stuck, G. What do we do? This is what we up to. Cause this is so ghetto. Dog, you're picking up the truck so much. Looks like a stink bug. We trying to jack up the front of the trailer so we could get the car on because the car's stuck in the middle. If you guys can't notice. All right, we got it down somehow. No, it's not gonna start. That's cool, just back it down. Keep in mind, we had to start the car in gear because the clutch didn't work. So there was no like easing it onto the trailer. It was just like turn it on in gear and just floor it.
What the fuck, y'all? God damn! God.
Jeez! Oh my God! Bro, if this car still works tomorrow, hell yeah. Oh my God, there's no room. Holy shit. We for sure broke something. Professional tow service, dog. What you know? Bison Mechanics 101. Adamup towing, G. What the hell? Hey, it works though. It's sketchy as fuck, but got these baby ass straps holding the front. Should be good to go. Cheers, dog. Good job. Just to show you guys, this is the reason that my clutch was not working. This crappy freaking master cylinder went bad. It's all plastic, it's crappy. I ordered one, which was this one, but if you can see the ends, the one on the right is threaded, the one on the left is not. So, I ordered another piece. I already put it in the car. I'm not going to boring you guys with an install, so that's already in the car. Next, I got to bleed it, and we'll go from there. It's hella dark outside now, so I'm not going to do that right now. I'm going to wait for tomorrow or the next day. But this is a piece of crap. You guys need to change these. So big freaking fail. We ended up not being able to fix the problem. The clutch fork ended up being bent, so we're going to have to pull the trans and change that. So I'm over the 36 for right now. Let's get over to the E30 and try and fix what's wrong with that now. So I didn't film too much of this, but we are going to be modifying the stock fuel rail in order to fit a 340 liter pump on there. Factory pump was going bad. Look at the size comparison. So we're going to be modifying it and changing to this one. Not going to bore you guys with that, but this is a new setup. Spliced, zip tied in, low vibration sleeve. Now back to the car. Okay, so before it was giving us the problem where it wouldn't just turn on, it would be like kind of weird on idle. So let's see if it just starts right up. You can barely hear the fuel pump. Oof. Sounds good to me. Oh, I can hear the fuel pump. So you guys can hear it a little bit. This is what the assembly looks like put back together. But you can't hear it. Alright guys, we're taking it on the road and seeing what happens. Hopefully it doesn't stall out. It was stalling out and like backfiring all dumb when I was getting on it, so let's... Uh-oh. Uh-oh. He's doing it again. Uh-oh. Same thing, car just died. Ah, shit. That's not good. All right, guys, so it's the next day. It started raining like crazy, so I wasn't able to do much to the car. But I will be changing the fuel pump. I will be changing a few other things. If you guys didn't know, the reason I went to a 340 pump is because the motor that we're gonna be going with is not the factory motor. We're gonna get a bigger motor, so it's gonna need more fuel. If you guys put in the comments, guess what you think it's gonna be. We have a few things coming for the cars. I'm gonna change all that stuff. I'll probably do it today if it doesn't start raining, but as you can see now, it's not. I'm posting this the day after Christmas, so Merry Christmas to all you guys, and just be ready for the next video, part 2. We're gonna be announcing some more things for the car. Thank you guys. Have a good one.